1. And it's off. We start the autonomous, the first one. 803, quick to jump out there, toss it over the balls. We got 3 of the 4 moving. 8202 not moving anywhere here. Our team from Ping Hong National Middle School not moving in autonomous mode. Very quick reaction, so, from the Exothermic Haiku and the Warriors. End of the first 20 seconds of autonomous mode. And if you're looking up here, you see the judges pointing out stuff. The referees are pointing out that there's an orange ball that's slightly under the edge of the centerpiece, so that means that will not count as a score because it's considered in an area that is non-scoreable. They're counting it up. If you're here in practice, we went really fast between the ones. It'll go a little bit slower because we have to have actual numbers, so we got to really make sure which side wins the autonomous. Whoever wins the autonomous gets 5 bonus points. For those of you new to this, let me kind of explain it while we're waiting for the referees to decide. The orange balls, if they're on the opposite side of the team, those will count as 5 points each. The green balls count as 1 point each unless you get the ball inside the goal, this triangle thing here, of the opposite side. In other words, dropping them on your side. If you're on the red side and you put it on your side, that doesn't help you any. In fact, it counts for the other side. But if you can reach your ball up and put it actually on the other side, that's called locked up. So a ball becomes locked up, and instead of 1 point for the green, it now counts as 3 points for the green. There are, I've only seen today in this division only 1 team that goes for those locked up balls. One of the reasons why is, remember, the orange ones are worth 5. So while you're sitting there messing with trying to get them into the other side, unless you're really efficient with it, you can easily grab some orange balls and toss it over. I think we're coming up to a decision. Red won that one for the autonomous. Now we're ready to start on with the driver's control. And everyone all ready? Turn it around. Get ready for the driver's control in 3, 2, 1. Okay, time to go. Unfortunately, 8202 still dead in the water. Ping Hong National Middle School not working right now. That's okay. Hopefully they'll get it fixed and they'll be working later rounds. That happens. Okay, we've got the other 3 bots are working. But 575 quickly picking up and dumping. We saw them in practice round doing a good job, very efficient. They're very good at grabbing the orange balls and green balls and just pulling them in and then flipping them over. Pull them in, flip them over. The 704 is working on getting a green ball. They are trying to roll it in from the front. Their 575's version of how they're pulling it in seems to be much quicker. They just now dumped over 1 orange ball and 4 or 5 green balls, each one counting 1 point. 803A has got a real problem here because if you can see, they've got an orange ball and a green ball stuck in the center. So what they're trying to do right now is, if they can figure out some combination of jiggling it around or whatever, maybe they can knock those balls out of the center, because otherwise they can't lower their basket. If they can't lower their basket, then they're in bad shape. We're down to 54 seconds left of the round. In the meantime, 575 just kind of playing around over there, not really doing much because they really don't need the additional points, but they're getting it. 704 has got 2 green balls, dropping them over. 575 going to try to clear off some more of the green balls. Right now we have a real big domination on the red side, and unless 803 is able to get out its balls, it's going to be a very, very one-sided match. Unfortunately, the 802.2 is, 8202 is having some issues. 8303 as a reminder, 803B as a reminder is from EO School Robotics and VEX from the Waluki, Hawaii. Our 575 over here on the red side, Exothermic Haiku. That's the one that's dumping over the box that has 575 of it. Oh, now we get the 803 has a big white ball, and it's over.